Hi friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen mozzarella sticks in an air fryer. What we need for this recipe is a package of frozen mozzarella sticks and a cooking spray. So the first step is, let's take out the air fryer basket and spray it with a cooking spray so the mozzarella sticks don't stick to the bottom. Next, I will open a package of mozzarella sticks. And now I will put the mozzarella sticks in the air fryer basket in a single layer. Let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer, and I will set the temperature to 400 degrees, and I will set the time to 6 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the mozzarella sticks. Perfectly cooked, so good. Crispy on the outside and melted mozzarella on the inside. So easy to cook those mozzarella sticks in the air fryer. Now let's try it. Perfectly gooey on the inside. Tastes so good. Yummy. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.